All right, these are the answers to the review for the system equation test. For our first couple, we're just doing them by graphing. So we're going to start at positive 3, go down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1. Okay, so we have a line kind of going like that. For the other one, we're going to start at negative 4, and we're going to go up 3 over 1. And as soon as we hit that common point, we know we found our solution. So this point right here is 1 to the right, 1 down. So it's 1, negative 1. Okay. Not too bad. Same idea on this one. We're going to start at negative 7. And we're going to go down 2 and over 3. So we're heading in this way here. We may want to go up 2 and left 3 just to kind of see what's happening there. For the other one, we're starting at positive 3. And we're going up 1 over 1. Now we can see that that's not going to lead us into a intersection. We got to bring that back. So I go down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. Do that a few times, and then thankfully we hit that point right there. And we're always kind of anticipating. We should hit a point. Unless I've made a mistake, they should always hit there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 6, negative 3. Okay. So the graphing one shouldn't be too bad. Then we have a couple of substitution problems. In a substitution problem, we take find the variable that's by itself, take what it's equal to, put it in for that variable in the other equation. So I'm putting this in for x. We're going to have 2y plus 5 times 4y equals 44. Okay, multiply. We're going to get 20y there. Add those together, 22y equals 44. And then if we divide, we get y equal to 2. Okay, so that's our y value. Now we're going to take that 2, put it right back in for y. So x is 4 times y. 4 times 2 would give us 8. For number 4, find the variable that's by itself. Take what it's equal to, sub it in for that in the other equation. So I'm going to put that right there. Instead of 2 times y, this is going to be 2 times 3x plus 4 minus 5x equals 6. Distribute 6x plus 8 minus 5x equals 6. Put those together now. 6x minus 5x is 1x. Subtract 8 and we get x equal to negative 2. Okay. Take that negative 2, put it right back up into there. So now we're going to go 3 times negative 2. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. Again, with substitution, find the variable that's by itself, take what it's equal to, and put that in for that variable in the other equation. Okay. Then we got some by elimination. And with elimination, we're trying to find a set of variables that we could cancel, either by adding or subtracting. In this first one, I see that the 2x, negative 3x, I really can't do anything with them, but 7y, 7y. If I were to subtract those, 7 minus 7 would be 0, and that's what I want. I want them to cancel. So 2 minus negative 3. Got to be a little careful there. That's going to be 5. Negative 1 minus negative 16 is a positive 15. Okay. Divide by 5, we get x equal to 3. So that's our x value. Okay. Take that 3, put it back in for x. We're going to go 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. All right, we're going to subtract 6. 7y equals negative 7. And then we're going to divide, and we get y equal to negative 1. All right. Over here, you got negative 3y, positive 3y. Those are ready to cancel, so we're going to go ahead and add these together. 2x plus 7x is 9x. 4 plus 41 is 45. Divide by 9. We get x equal to 5. Okay. Take that 5, put it back in. I'm going to go to the top. You can go either one, but I just like going to the top one. 2 times 5 is 10, minus 3y equals 4. Subtract that 10. Negative 3y equals negative 6. And then divide by negative 3, we get y equal to 2. All right, so those two weren't too bad because we were kind of ready and set to cancel there. So then we get 7, 8, 9, 10, and now we can pick any method we want here, whatever we think would be best. So for number 7, I see that I've got y by itself for both of them. So I would take a graph. I'm just going to make one here real quick. and I would go to -8, go up 1 over 1. Okay, kind of like that. And then for the other one, I'd go to +6 and go down 3 over 4. Down 3 over 4. All right. And I believe that if we do that well, let's see. Yeah, I think if we do that well, I didn't graph it to scale here because I didn't have a graph. But if you were to do this correctly on a graph, you would hit right about there at 8, 0. Okay. So again, I would just put it on a graph and see where they intersect because of the y being by itself. For this one here, I have got an x by itself, so I'm going to take this 4y minus 3, I'm going to put that in for x right there. Instead of 2 times x, we're going to go 2 times 4y minus 3 minus 5y equals 18. I'm going to distribute 8y minus 6 minus 5y equals 18. Put those together, 3y minus 6 equals 18. Add 6, 3y equals 24. Divide, and we get y equal to 8. Okay. Let's take that 8, put it right back in here for y, and I get x equal to 4 times 8 minus 3, x equals 32 minus 3, x equals 29. All right. All right, last two we're going to do, and then we'll cut this video off. Let's take the top one here, multiply by 2. It's going to give us 6x plus 14y equals 74. And the reason for that is now we can eliminate those y's. We'll get 11x equals 33. Divide, we'll get x equal to 3. Yeah, plug that back in. I like putting it right there on the top. Get 9 plus 7y equals 37. Subtract the 9, 7y equals 28. Divide by 7, and we'll get y equal to 4. Okay. And then for this one here, I don't have a simple multiplication I can do like I did on that one. That one I could set up pretty nicely. So I'm just going to cross multiply. I'm going to take the 3, bring it up, put the 2 down. I could have done 2 and 3, but this will work out just fine. So if I multiply everything on the top by 3, I get 6x minus 9y equals negative 24. On the bottom, I get 6x plus 4y equal to 54. All right. Now we can subtract. This goes away. Negative 9 minus 4 is a negative 13. Negative 24 minus 54 is a negative 78. We're going to divide by negative 13, and I get y equal to 6. Okay, so kind of a little tricky. You got to be real careful with those negatives, but we end up with a nice number here. So we're going to put that number back in here. It's going to give us 2x minus 18 equals negative 8. That's 3 times 6. Okay, we're going to add that 18. So 2x equals 10, and then divide by 2, we get x equal to 5. All right, so that's part 1. We'll do part 2 in just a second.